How's it going, buds and beauties? I'm right now in the open getting some sun and also unboxing and giving my first impressions of the Oppo Enco Free. Now this video is just not only about the first impressions, this video is also gonna be about the sound quality. I'm gonna use these buds for about 2 hours and then give you the impressions, the first impressions plus the sound quality test. So it became really tough for me to open this with one hand, so I had to put my DSLR away and had to open the seal. And now look at these Oppo Enco X. They look boxy at first glance. Like take the Apple AirPods first generation charging case and make them look like an iPhone 12, like a boxy feeling case, and that's how the Oppo Enco Free looks like. One thing that I noticed is that when you open the buds case and you'll see the buds are put in an orientation that is backwards. As you can see, the slot where they get in is actually backwards to where they rest. So it's something weird that I noticed. Apart from if you see other TWS earbuds, you will see that the hole where they will go in is actually in the front of the charging case. I know it's a weird thing, but yeah, I noticed it and that's why I'm telling it. Charging case, if I just sum up in 2 words, it looks like a muscular AirPods.
Oh yeah.
Now let's see what else do we get in the box. So as I earlier mentioned, there are 2 ear tips and these are very weird and unique in their own way because I have never seen any company providing ear tips to these type of TWS earbuds. As you can already see that it took me a lot of struggle to first put out the ear tip that was already installed on the earbud. First it looked like it was just a part of it, but again it was an ear tip and it was removable, and then I removed it and installed a new ear tip that was provided in the box. And just a quick note to Oppo, it doesn't look really cool, you know. It looks a bit weird, but I don't know, it looks shady and weird and also cool in a way. I have seen this first time ever. So yeah, whatever ear tip suits your ear, go with it. Checking on the other things that we get in the box, so user manual you do get it, but I am not gonna check it because it's useless. And the second thing that you get is cables, so you do get a USB Type-C cable, but if you already own a smartphone that has a USB Type-C cable, which nowadays, I mean, every smartphone comes with a USB Type-C cable, so you don't necessarily need this cable for the purpose of charging the case. Pairing to my smartphone was really simple AF. You just get the Oppo Enco Free on the Bluetooth tab and you just tap on it and it's just pair, and it also shows the left and right combo, which was not shown in some of the earbuds that I recently reviewed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put these earbuds in my ears and check the fit of these earbuds. I hope these earbuds are gonna be really good in my ears. And also guys, do ask me in the comment section below if you have any questions regarding the Oppo Enco X. I'm gonna try them on now. And as I've already said in my previous videos, I'll say it again. These are the perfect fit for my ears, these earbuds types. I mean the Apple AirPods type fit. This is the amazing fit, and these are just the basic fit that I really love. I don't like earbuds popping out like something popping out of the earbuds. This is the perfect fit, not just for myself, I mean it's for my ears, the best fit. These are just very easy to stick in. You just stick in, and I'm very amazed to see that they had different types of ear tips, because usually when companies makes these type of earbuds, these type of looking earbuds with a long stem, they don't include extra ear tip or something. But I don't know, like they have included ear tip at just the tip. As you can see, this is the part that you're seeing at the top, the tip that comes off of the earbud, and there are like 2 more earbuds tips included in the box. So I'm gonna play the music. One of my favorite music right now is Venom. I'm gonna see if I can play another music to test out different things. So I'm gonna play this music that is Fly Away, as you can see, by Tones and I. It's also one of my favorite songs, like number 2 on my liked playlist. So I'm gonna play this song. This song has bass, treble, awesome sound, awesome mids, highs, lows. This song has everything to judge a song for, basically. So let me just play this song real quick. Okay, so I can totally tell that these earbuds have good bass, good treble, good sound quality. Overall, it's a package. I mean, I can compare these with the Skull Candies that I reviewed under 5,000 rupees, and I really love them. So, and also like the mids are good. The highs, they're not touching that high. I mean, they are good, but again, they're not very, very great. And I'm also comparing the bass as compared to the TWS market. I mean, if you compare this bass with the headphones, obviously there is no competition. The headphones have a much large driver in them, so you can't compare the driver of the you can't compare the bass of the headphones with the TWS. It's just incomparable. If goes by the TWS, these earbuds have good bass, good sound quality, good treble. Again, mids, highs, lows, all of them are really good. Again, they're not really great in anything, but overall it's a package. You can totally buy these under 5,000 rupees. And why I can say everything about the sound quality, because this song, just listen to the song once, and if you're listening to this song already, you know that this song has everything you can judge a song on. So the quality is amazing. Again, I have to test it more. I have to test it in my workout session. I have to test it outside in the market. I have to test it for noise cancellation, how the noise cancellation is on these earbuds. But these are really good. I mean, in the first impressions, I can totally say that these are awesome. You can definitely go for these. I would recommend them totally. And on the box, I can't really see why they are any different from the Enco W51. I mean, these are Enco free, right? I don't know how these are different from the Enco W51. Yeah, in terms of how they look, they're very different from the Enco W51. Enco W51 look like a blow dryer. I mean, that's how we used to call the AirPods Pro when they first came out. But these look very simplistic, and yeah, I really like them because one of the greatest thing about them is the fit. Fit is one of the most important things when you are buying a TWS. I don't know, for me it is. And clearly the fit of these earbuds are really good, and even if I do a quick shake test, I don't think they're gonna fall. So let me do a really quick shake test. I hope they don't fall. 3, 2, 1. Okay, they fell apart. One of the bud fell apart. I'm just gonna pick it up. So I think, yeah, like, so they also have this feature when you take the bud out. I mean, when you take the bud out, the music will stop playing, and when you put the bud in, the music will start playing. And it's very common in the TWS earbuds in today's market. So I just made this video just to get you a clarity of whether you can buy these under 5,000 rupees right now or not. And I just found out that these are not launched very recently. These are launched like about 10 to 11 months ago. Totally, you can buy these right now if you want to go for them and you want this type of shape under 5,000 rupees. These are, I think, one of the few. I mean, the Skull Candies don't have this shape, the Sennheiser don't have this shape, and also the Oppo Enco W51, that is the successor of these, I think, also don't have this shape. If you want this kind of shape, very minimalistic, very simplistic shape, then you can totally go for Oppo Enco X. They are amazing. I will surely make a detailed review of these earbuds at the end of this week or on Monday or Tuesday. Stay tuned for it, and I will see you guys in the next video now. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel, tech, as well as motivational content. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep washing your hands.